singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face.
Se lo he dicho antes. Hay un micrófono aquí dentro. En el arbusto.
Sí.
Usted tiene que hablar frente a él.
Pero si estaba hablando, ¿verdad, señorita Dinsmore?
Mire estas flores, ¿las ve? El micro está ahí dentro. Eso es. El sonido pasará desde el micro a través de este cable hasta la placa y recogerá todo lo que usted diga. Vamos a probar otra vez, Lina. ¡Vamos allá! ¡Silencio! 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 ¡Cámara!
Oh, Pierre, ¿por qué has venido? Juegas con el peligro y no tardarán en descubrir
los latidos del corazón de Lina.
Es demasiado valiosa.
Yes, it is, isn't it? It is terrible. Well, we movie stars get the glory. I guess we have to take the little heartaches that go with it. People think we lead lives of glamour and romance, but will we?
Well, yes. Here we are, sunset in Camden.
Wait a minute. You mean I'm not an actor? Pantomime on the screen is an act.
Ready for love. Haven't a worry, haven't a care. Feel like a feather that floats on air. Then have a fiddle and ready for love. Soon the church bells will be ringing, and I'll march with my ma. How the church bells will be ringing, with a hey nonny nonny and a ha-cha-cha.
Colored lights in a garden. A lady is standing on her balcony in a rose trellised bower. Flooded with moonlight, we add 500,000 kilowatts of stardust, a soft summer breeze, and you sure look lovely in the moonlight, Kathy.
I have a smile on my face. I'll walk down